Hello there, as always Mr. ATC for you, and today we're gonna do a quick review. As you know, I like to review all the beautiful things across my workshop, like this useful infrared thermometer. Alright, so now let's break down some of the features I have with it. This is actually one of my favorite tools to have in the kitchen. To turn it on, I actually need to press that button right here, and as you can see, I have a red light here. It's actually the infrared light. I'm gonna turn it on the side so you will actually have a better look. As you can see, this is the button. And here on the back, I have the digital screen, which is showing me on Fahrenheit or Celsius degree. Alright, so as I was telling you, I like to use it in the kitchen. So I'm gonna give it a try to show you how the temperature is going up and down. And you can really see the laser pointing in the middle here, which is giving you a very good indication of the temperature on the surface that you're pointing. And I hope that this quick presentation will be beneficial for you. Again, Mr. ATC, and I will see you next time.